Welcome to my channel. The wooden spoon. Let's make a chocolate cake. In a bowl add 1 cup all-purpose flour, ½ cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, and mix it properly. In another bowl add 1 egg, ½ cup milk, ½ cup oil, ½ cup granulated sugar, a few drops of coconut essence, and whisk it. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Add ½ cup boiling water in it and combine it well. Brush oil in the mold or pan and transfer the mixture to it. Bake the cake, apply chocolate sauce on it and spread granulated sugar on it. The chocolate cake is ready. Cut it and enjoy eating. Subscribe, like and share.